Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Ryusei. Today I'll share the recipe of Mizutaki. Mizutaki is one of my favorite hot pot. The recipe is very simple, so I often make Mizutaki in my daily meal. We simmer chicken, vegetables, and tofu in kombu dashi, and then dip them in Ponzu sauce. After eating it, we can enjoy Zōsui too. Mizutaki is so healthy and tasty. I hope you enjoy delicious Mizutaki at your home. Yes, let's make it. Firstly, I add 10 grams of kombu to 800 grams of water and let it stand for 30 minutes at room temperature. Today I used Ryusei kombu, which was produced in Hokkaido. Then cut the vegetables. First, cut Japanese leek, which was grown in Saitama Prefecture. Cut diagonally into bite-sized pieces. You can use green onion instead of it. Okay, then Shiitake mushrooms, which were grown in Ibaraki Prefecture. Trim the stem off and cut it into half. I use the tip of the knife to remove the stem and cut it. Please cut shiitake into bite-sized pieces. Next, enoki mushrooms, which were grown in Niigata Prefecture. Cut the root side off and then split it into small clusters. Good. This is Mizuna, Japanese mustard greens, which was grown in Tokyo. The feature of Mizuna is crunchy texture and a beautiful green color. Trim the root side shortly, then cut it roughly about 3 cm in towers. Mizuna is a very popular vegetable in hot pot. Finally, Napa cabbage. Separate the leaves with a knife. We can do it by hands. Napa cabbage is best in winter. Also, it's okay to cut roughly. The cooking time for the root side and the leaf side will be different. So first, cut the leaf part. Then divide the root side into half. And do sogigiri to cook the thick part more quickly. Like this. If Napa cabbage is well cooked, the taste will become sweeter. Okay, I've cut all vegetables. This is soft tofu, kinu tofu. I love the silky texture of soft tofu. But it's good to use farm tofu, momen tofu as well. Just cut it into big chunks. Okay. Finally, I'll cut the chicken thigh. We can use chicken breast as well, but I recommend to use chicken thigh because it gives richness to the soup and the texture of chicken thigh is juicy and tender. Firstly, remove the excess skin and fat off. Good. Then cut the chicken thigh. When the chicken is cooked, the size will shrink. Therefore, cut it a little bit bigger than one bite. Like this. If you use chicken breast, I recommend to cut it into thin slices to cook them quickly. I love the big and juicy pieces of chicken. Okay, I've got all ingredients. Kombu is ready to release the flavor. I add Napa cabbage, Enoki mushroom, Shiitake mushroom, Japanese leek, and chicken thigh. If you use chicken breast, please don't add it now. Okay. Let's cook Mizutaki. Warm up it over high heat. When the vegetables are cooked, they shrink and we get space to add other ingredients. Add the tofu gently. Soft tofu is very fragile, so we should add it carefully. And if you use chicken breast, please add it now. Simmer it for a few minutes. Chicken and vegetables give amazing flavor to the soup. Finally, add Mizuna. It is important to add it at the end to keep the beautiful green color and crunchy texture. Mizutaki is done. We'll eat Mizutaki with Ponzu sauce. Ponzu sauce is a Japanese traditional sauce which is mainly made from citrus and soy sauce. Handmade Ponzu sauce is best, but it's okay to buy it. If you don't get it, please try this recipe. The recipe is so simple, just combine all ingredients. Also, I used orange juice. Grapefruit juice is also good. Okay. Let's arrange it on the bowl. I put the ingredients. And I pour the soup over it. Let's eat it. Itadakimasu. I dip the ingredients to the ponzu sauce. It's warm and refreshing taste. Tofu is delicious too. This is a Japanese popular spice, yuzu koshō. It's mainly made from chili and yuzu. This spiciness is perfect with Mizutaki. If you find yuzu koshō, please try it. It's so tasty. And last, I'll introduce how to use leftover soup. It's 200 grams. Turn on the heat. Once the soup is warm, I add a pinch of salt and soy sauce. Check the taste. Okay, then add the sticky rice to the soup. It's okay to use leftover rice. And stir it to break the chunk of the rice. Once the soup boils, pour the beaten egg over it. Nice. Cover it with a lid and turn off the heat. 1 minute later, perfect. Mix it lightly, then arrange it on the bowl. The rice absorbs the delicious soup of Mizutaki. Finally, top green onion. Zōsui is done. We often make Zōsui after hotpot. Itadakimasu. This is so mild and rich flavor. I really recommend to make Zōsui too. Thank you. Did you enjoy? I have a question. Do you get ponzu sauce in your country? Ponzu sauce is very important with this hot pot. Today I used orange juice, but if you use fresh citrus, the flavor will be better. I hope you enjoy healthy and delicious Mizutaki at your home. Thank you for watching to the end. I'm looking forward to seeing you next time. Have a nice day. See you later.